And it's day one of Christmas decorations. And that starts with some of the new props that we're getting this year. One of them is going to be the palm tree, which we're gonna put right up on the house over here. We won't get them put up today, but we're gonna get them painted today so I can start getting lights in them. And then we've got ourselves a trio of Christmas trees that the wife is gonna paint green and put some highlights on so that they look better when in the daylight. So we'll get going on that. So for the trees, we're going with a Rust-Oleum, a farm, what, JD green? John Deere green? JD green. JD, not Jade green, John Deere green. Go ahead, let's paint it. She doesn't want to be in my videos today, so you'll just see her arms. Unless you get lucky, you might get a quick headshot.
No.
It's just simple painting. Never done this before, so this is new to us. Hopefully our daughter will help us with putting some of the actual painted lines and things on here. We're thinking about doing the eyes, doing the mouth. Although the mouth's tough because the mouth moves in different things. Maybe just the eyes. Well, I guess it's for the daytime though, right? I know what you're saying. You just got to pick one of the mouths. Hello, it's a little splotchy.
What's that splashy there? Great, the second green.
I like the smell of spray paint.
Mm-hmm.
The biggest one. This one we put a couple of zip ties up here at the top because it chipped folded. I believe we're gonna mount these right up there. At least that's the goal. So let's see how it works out. So it's been a few weeks when we started painting these, but I never really actually showed you guys the finished product. So these are painted by ourselves. We used what did we use? Let's see what we used. We used Rust-Oleum paint, and then we put a layer of gloss clear on top of it. So we painted all of these, did some brush. So it wasn't all spray paint. I had a couple of other smaller cans of outdoor paint that we used for the black, and I believe we used a Rust-Oleum red for some of the other stuff. So also, just FYI, this we got last year from GE, Gilbert Engineering, and it was white. So since we started painting some other things, I actually took every one of the pixels out of here, painted it up, and we'll put all the pixels back in. So, my advice, if you're gonna paint your props, paint them before you put your pixels in, because this has got 300 plus pixels that took me a couple hours to put in. So now I've got to do it all over again. So today I'm going to get through these boxes of stuff and see where we are, because it is October the 12th when I'm taping this, and got to get this show started. So stay tuned.